So this is the one of the coolest feature is iPhone adding in recent ISO 7 version. Suppose if you want to remove any photo background, just press and hold this icon and then move it, and then you can go any other apps. Suppose I am going this message option and I want to paste in here. It's very simple. And if you want to add multiple images, suppose this image has two products. So if you want to remove only this single, you can select it. Suppose you can add it, you can send it as a simple single. And if you want to remove for both, and then you can press and hold, and then you need to press on select all, and then press on copy and go back, and press and hold again and press on paste. Oh, this is very cool. So this is how you can easily lift people or object on your iPhone without Photoshop. It's very cool feature. So hope you enjoy it. Please thumbs up, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in comment section below. Have a good day. Thank you.